Hey Paul, we're just going to show you real quick what I was hoping to do with embedding that YouTube videos, and what you got from me worked perfectly. So if somebody, if you're going to put an assignment and post it, like I've got some practice problems here, what I want to be able to do, and I use a Google assignment, and so when my kids log on or open this assignment, right in the description, they're going to have that embedded YouTube video right here. All right, a little help here with the practice problems with demand assignment, just so we kind of understand what we're trying to do. We're trying to decide if, so then they can kind of, see me manipulating the actual assignment and dealing with it, and then they can come right here, open that assignment. So everything's kind of kept nice and in-house, and I don't know if that would be something useful. Other people might be a ways away from wanting to do something like that, but it's kind of a nice tool, especially for math or when you have to actually demonstrate maybe how to perform or how to do the task. Kind of works pretty slick. So I thought I'd show you.